Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to request your transaction history for security purposes on Bright. Do you need a record of your past transactions for personal tracking or security checks? Here's how to request your full transaction history on Bright. First, open the Bright app and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings and then scroll down and select Accounts and Reports. Tap on Request Transaction History. You're going to be asked to select a time range. You can choose from the past month, quarter, year, or even a custom date range. Once selected, confirm your email address where the report should be sent, then tap Submit Request. Bright will generate a secure, password-protected PDF or Excel file and send it to your email within minutes. Use this for personal records, audits, or if you're reviewing activities for unusual spending. Simple, secure, and just a tap away. Like, share, and subscribe for more quick Bright guides.